salute you, all of you, that you are today going to make a very successful dharna. Good morning, comrade. Good morning to all of you. I am happy from all parts of the country. Our young comrade, ladies comrade, and even the old comrade. They have come over here to stage the dharna against the proposal of the IPO. I once again salute you, all of you, that you are today going to make a very successful dharna. Comrade, as I informed earlier, here over the desk, only General Secretary and President of 8th Constituent, whose name has been placed over the banner. Only they will remain here. Other comrades sit there in the front so that we can maintain the discipline. Whenever any MP or central tribunal leader will be coming, we shall be giving them a space at the forefront. So please kindly bear with us. Further, comrade, it is to inform that this program will end by 1 p.m. sharp, because only morning slot has been allotted to us, and we had to give undertaking to the police on behalf of Apex Union that our dharna will be peaceful. So mic will be used, our leader, MP, they will be addressing from the mic, slogan shouting will also be there, but overall it must be peaceful. So please bear. Further, comrade, from different constituents of Apex Union, we have gathered information. More than 1.5 dozen honorable MPs are coming to address our dharna today. This will also become the achievement. From almost all the political parties except the ruling parties, MPs are coming. And I hope for the first time in the history of RRB, within the 50 years, this time your demand has become viral all over the country, not only all over the country, internationally. That RRB employees are very much united against the IPO, and they have taken a oath, they have taken a promise that they will never allow RRB to be privatized.
Arabi Apex Union Zindabad! Arabi Apex Union Zindabad! Worker City long live! Worker City long live! Awaz do! Awaz do!
While we are going to conclude, we are also having the slogan shouting. RRB Apex Union! RRB Apex Union! RRB Apex Union! IPO का प्रपोजल वापस लो! केंद्र सरकार होश में आओ! IPO का प्रपोजल वापस लो! ग्रामीण बैंक का निजीकरण नहीं चलेगा! ग्रामीण बैंक का निजीकरण नहीं चलेगा! ग्रामीण बैंक का निजीकरण नहीं चलेगा! भारत सरकार होश में आओ! वित्त मंत्री होश में आओ! IPO का प्रपोजल वापस लो!